Hey everyone, it's Brett from Duluth Pack here to talk to you today about our large grab-and-go. This bag is a great size for multiple different uses. One of my favorite uses for it is as a toiletry bag. You can also use it to store your first aid supplies, use it as a first aid kit. It's great for hunting equipment. You can put ammunition in here. You can put cleaning supplies in here. It's great for storage in your closet if you have anything like ties or dress socks that you want to keep separate. It's great for road trips because you can pack things in here, slip it under the seat of your car and have it with you. So again, emergency roadside kit, first aid supplies, it's great. This is the particular color of bag and style of bag that I use for my toiletries because this is our wax khaki color. And for those of you that don't know, our wax canvas, it's not waterproof completely, but it's water resistant so that when you drop water on here, it beads off. So this is a great type of material to use for your toiletries when you're going to be setting it down next to the sink and there might be some splash up. There might be some water on the counter. This will keep it away from your equipment a little bit better. But it's also great for that and several other packing purposes because it breaks down super easily. So you can see there's no leather bottom on here, which has its disadvantages certainly, but it also keeps the cost of the bag down and allows that compression. So for me, I don't have that much for toiletry stuff. It's more than what would fit in our grab-and-go, but it's not enough that fills this up. But that's great for when I pack my pack because I can compress down all the extra space and stuff it into my backpack or duffel bag to take with me. It has these two excellent hanging tabs. So this is great if you need to clip it in somewhere or bungee cord it in somewhere. It also hangs nicely if you have any hanging storage in your bathroom like a towel rack. It just is an extra way to carry, store, and secure this equipment. If you go on canoe trips, it's great to keep this clipped to your bag so that if it falls out of your canoe, it's not going to float away separate from your bag. You can keep it nice and together so that you can retrieve it. As always, our bags are proudly made in the USA and they feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware. So thanks for tuning in about our large grab and go, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.